With another tutorial. Today what we're going to be teaching you is to add a custom Google map, and we're going to teach you how to embed it onto your own website. So let's say, for example, you have your own business, you want people to know how to get there or the exact location. They can do that easily right on their website. Don't even have to think about it. They can see it right there. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that. Real easy, it'll only take you maybe 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do first is visit web-prodigy.com like normal. So you're going to go ahead and do that. And boom, we're going to visit the add-ons page, of course. And again, we're just going to go down to Google Maps. We're going to click on that. It's going to bring us to a page where we start to see the instructions. As you can tell, the level's beginner. All we're going to need is some code editing software. You can even do this in Notepad if you like, but I wouldn't recommend that. Try to stick with Dreamweaver if you have your free trial from Adobe. That would be great. For the first one, it says visit Google Maps. Obviously, if you don't know how to get to Google Maps, it's pretty easy. You can just literally, as you see, I had searched it in Google. It's fairly simple, but I'm going to provide a link right over here after I'm done, so you guys can just click right on there. So we're going to go ahead and go over to Google Maps, enter that. First thing that pops up, you can tell my link is already active, as in I've already pressed it before. So we're going to go ahead and press that, and then you're brought up to this page right here. Now, it's going to be pretty familiar because I already have a picture uploaded. See, there's a switch back. You can see my Google Map image. I have a bar right around the 2 necessary things you're going to need to know. First thing is the directions, which is the address of your place wherever you want it to go or wherever you want it to add. And then the second is this little link that most people can miss. So we're going to go ahead and go back to Maps. And the first thing you're going to do is put in some type of address. For time's sake, we can put in let's put in an Applebee's. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to go ahead and find this one right here. Boom, North Michigan Ave in Atlantic City, New Jersey. So fairly popular place. Then this is where this link comes into play. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click that link, and then basically the Applebee's we've selected as our destination is going to be used as the source and what the map revolves around. So there's this short URL. You can send it to your friends. Basically brings up the direction, shows you where it is, or you can paste the HTML to embed the website. So we're going to go ahead and take this iframe and copy it, which is going to be pretty easy. You can go ahead and open up your code editing software. Mine's Dreamweaver. I'm going to go ahead and file new, and then we're going to want a new HTML document. So go ahead and create that, and then I'm going to give some space in the body. You can see where you're working. I'm going to go ahead and paste that. You're going to see a bunch of stuff right here, which is all in an iframe. Basically, an iframe is video embedding onto a website. So if you have videos of all kinds, a lot of the time it's going to be an iframe. So you can be aware of that. You can really get a sense of what you're looking at. This is basically just a big, Google src to the link where it's doing its own thing. So obviously you can see in the WYSIWYG, once you hit a preview, it doesn't exactly come up, but it is there. So all this stuff right here, the only thing it's doing is linking back to the Google Maps. And this right here, the larger map is just the word, so if you want to click there, it'll bring you to the larger map. We're going to go ahead and leave that right there for now. If you do want to edit it last minute, you can edit right here, changing the width, changing the height, changing the frame border, scrolling no, margin height 0, margin width. Pretty self-explanatory. But all you're going to do is go ahead and save it, and then once you run it online or run it in your local host, you should be good to go. So that's basically about it. We're going to go ahead and take a look back at the directions one more time in case there's anything else that we missed. But there shouldn't be. It says place your information and click the link, which is basically what we did. You placed your information right up here, then you click this little link, and then all you did was, click the link, and then it'll give you the iframe, and all you have to do is copy and paste that into your Dreamweaver directory, and it pops up automatically for you. Thank you guys for watching another tutorial. Hopefully this helped you out, And if you are happen to be a small business owner, hopefully this will drive some more business to your store.